Hey guys, this is Kapil Shigri, finally a BMS student studying at BAMC Shomoga. This vlog is kind of a mixture of my daily routine and not so busy weekends to have fun. As colleges are starting real soon, I thought I should have some fun with my friends and also on occasion of Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day to everyone. Thank you so much for being a supportive system to me and help me grow in YouTube. And in this vlog you will be seeing me cooking. Yes, I do cook, but I'm an amateur cook. So here you can see me using processed food for preferring my breakfast, that is puliogore. That's very simple to do, and along with that I'll be having my coffee. So even you should grab a cup of coffee. Enjoy the vlog. uh, from next week onwards, as I told you in my last vlog itself, that my offline classes will start. So I need to revise things that are already been covered. Whatever things are covered, I need to revise all those things so that I can go back to class, not with empty mind but with something at least, because something is better than nothing. So I'm currently working on that. I'm currently studying the first chapter of Panchakarma, that is Sneha Vidhi. Although it says 16 here, it is because I'm studying it from Ashtanga Hridaya. We can study from anything. Also have to I also have Charaka Samhita with me, because I have to take references from all the textbooks that I have, so that I can have complete information about whatever it is. This is running notes that I made during my lectures, and I have to prepare a complete notes so that I can get clear vision of whatever I have learned till now. I usually like to sit down and study instead of tables and other things. So I use my cot as a table for now, before I get one of those tables. So I've been preparing notes now, so I'll take you through it. So enjoy the time lapse.
Scared of water.
I'm currently watching Khatron Ke Khiladi season 11. Like literally, these people, I tell you, we all know that these things might be scripted or no, but still, these things are very scary to watch and everything. But currently, I'm watching it right now. So I'll continue watching it, and I'm currently in second episode. I watched one episode yesterday and I have two more to go. To have a refreshing weekend before the college starts, we thought we should go on a road trip for a day. So we went. So here it is. Okay, we have come here to some temple, and look at this. Oi, say hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much for staying till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I reached 180 subscribers yesterday, and thank you so much for that. Have a great day. See you on Sundays.